nalaman ko na binabadmouth ako sa taong yon kasi because of the insecurities. Like, kung anong gusto niya, dapat meron din siya.
I just realized after so many episodes of NSFW, I realized that I don't like drama. But wait, linawin ko. When I say I don't like drama, I don't like to participate, but I want to spectate. I want to listen to your tea, but if I'm gonna be part of the drama, no, I don't want that. I want other people's drama. That's what I want. So on that note, welcome to another episode of NSFW, as in not safe for work, because your cuento is about work. It's not safe for you to cuento it there, but it is safe for you to cuento here, because I'd like to say that my space is a safe space. Of course, my name is Shai, and today we've got a caller who I'm really guessing changed their name because they like to be referred to as Barbie. So, hi, Barbie.
Hi po, DJ Shai, and it's me, Bargy.
Mhm.
And for today po, may share akong story.
Wait lang, Barbie, ito
Record.
naman agad-agad ka eh. Barbie, may Ken ka na ba sa buhay mo?
Uy!
Uy! Ano ba? Ma'am Shai, DJ Shai,
Yes po.
caught off guard ako, DJ Shai. Ano ba? Ito naman. Kasi naman ikaw you chose the name Barbie, so baka naman, akala ko lang, you have a Ken in your life. Sige, hindi na. Okay, Barbie, are you gonna be talking about people at work? Tama ba?
Yes.
So, sige. I will let you start your cuento, so go, take it away.
Okay po. Before, may isa ako naging friend sa media industry. So, big company siya here in the Philippines. So, kasama ko siya mag-racket, mag-talents, mag-PTR, and saan saang sulok ng mga media kami magkasama. And ever since, nalala kami. So, the problem is, matagal na kami magkasama, pero super smooth ng pinagsamahan namin. Like, walang away, walang tampuhan, walang...
How long have you guys been friends again?
I think it's almost 5
years.
to 5 to 6 years.
Okay, 5 to 6 years kayo working together in that certain media industry.
Yes.
Oh, it's a big one, right? Oh, there's only a few, like 3 maybe. Oh my God, I'm so curious. Pero syempre, di mo sabihin sa amin, di ba?
Yes
Corny.
po. And,
sige, game. Okay.
so, ayun. So, sa media industry, syempre, may mga competition in terms of mga talent fees, mga workloads, lalo na kapag nakasama ka or natanggap ka sa VTR, sa commercials, ganun po. So, super tagal na namin friends, and one of these days lang, parang naging siya, mailap. So, inisip ko kung
wait, what's mailap?
like, umiiwas.
Umiiwas,
or
okay. Parang ganun, okay, sige. Okay, gotcha. Okay.
Naging distance siya. So, ako, nagtaka ko, bakit wala namang problem at all. Ganon. Wala namang any
tuloy mo, sorry.
Wala namang tampuhan, wala namang away, ganon. So, nalaman ko, na-figure out ko na nagbabadmouth siya habang nakatalikod ako sa mga sa isang malapit naming friend na talent sa isang media. Yung friend namin na yon, nagkaroon siya ng career in that big company.
Ooh, okay.
So, nagkaroon siya ng career, nagkaroon siya ng band. Tapos, nalaman ko na binabadmouth ako sa taong yon kasi because of the insecurities. Like, kung anong gusto niya, dapat meron din siya. Ganun.
Sorry.
So,
Let's just clear it out. Sorry, wait lang You, Barbie, has a friend of 5 years na nang babadmouth.
yeah,
Tapos meron kayo isa pang friend who, who their career grew, nag-boom, kinukuha siya, etc.,
yeah.
etc. Tapos anong ginagawa nitong Black Stabber na to?
Sorry?
Paano? Like,
Sorry po, DJ.
okay, let's clear it out. You, Barbie, has a friend who's the backstabber. Okay. And then, the both of you have another friend whose career is booming, tama ba?
Yes
Okay,
po.
tapos anong connection, anong concern ulit ni backstabber nito? Paano ulit?
So, ayun. Yung backstabber po namin yun na friend, like, sinisiraan niya kami both sa ibang tao. So, para kung ano
catty.
yung achievements na karating ng mga nasa paligid niya, gusto niya meron din siya. So, like, sinisiraan niya para yung mga tao, i-hate niya kami. Like, inaano niya, naghanap siya ng mga kakampi, nagre-recruit siya ng mga mag-hate din sa amin. Tapos, it turns out, may nabasa kaming GC na nag-a-add siya ng mga kasamahan din namin sa agency na yun. So, lahat ng galaw namin naka-screenshot. Kahit walang mali siya, binibigyan niya ng mali siya.
Paano mo nalaman ng GC na to? How do you get a hold of that? Nagbabasa ka rin ng messages sa ibang tao, no? Pag nakabukas ng Facebook, my God! Sorry. Game.
Kasi po, may isang VTR for the brand. Tapos, nagpan sa tent yung iPad niya. Yung iPad niya, yung notification, kapag sa iPad, nakikita yung chat. Hindi naka-hide. Kung nabasa ng name ng chat, yung name ng chat, tapos yung name ng chat na yon is name namin ng agency, pero ang nakalagay is mga pabida. Yes.
Okay. The tea's getting piping hot, okay. So tapos, what happened?
Then, ang nangyari is yung sa GC na yun, lahat ng ng pictures namin nandun, kahit maski yung kausap yung boss, pipicture nila, tapos parang lalagyan nila ng mali siya, which is wala naman dapat na meaning yun.
So there's not just that person, not just si backstabber, meron na ngayon parang set of mean girls in the office. But in real life, how are the other people in the GC with you?
Wala naman silang problem, pero nagkakaroon sila ng pagdududa din, kasi syempre fini-feed sila ng mga negative comments, ng mga na words towards us. So, nahawaan na rin sila sa sinasabi.
Ilan kayo, aside from you and your friend who's already doing so well, ilan pa kayo mga pinag-uusapan nila?
5 po kami.
Ang dami naman pala. Okay. I mean, okay then. Okay. Sige. Okay, tapos, ano nangyari?
Kasi po, parang different, may mga naka-group po kami. Like, may Class A, Class B, Class C. Ganun po kasi kapag sa mga agency.
Wow, sapatos lang. Okay.
Right.
Sige, okay.
Kung ano yung need ng brand, yun yung ipapadala. Kunyari, kailangan ng ganitong talent. Specific. So, at that time, kami po yung most of the time na pinapadala sa mga VTRs.
Mga pabida-bida kasi kayo.
Yes, of course. Pero yun.
Okay.
Tapos po, parang lagi kaming pinapadala. Tapos parang nagkaroon sila ng doubt na bakit sila lagi. Tapos naging sip-sip pa daw sa boss. Naging, alam mo yun, parang special treatment. Lumaki yung ulo. Mga ganong comments. So, dapat naman hindi. Pero nalaman kasi namin yung may cheese silang ganun. Sobrang na-off lang. Though, pinag-usapan yun, kaharap din kami and sila. Pero, ang pangit lang kasi matagal kitang friend, tapos yung success ko, tinitignan mo as a competition.
Mhm.
And at the same time, parang no talk.
Mhm.
Tapos bila kang ganyan
Mhm.
towards me. Kasi ang pangit po nun, di ba, DJ? Parang, dapat nga kapag friend mo, susuportahan ka in
Of
terms of
course.
everything
Mm.
to your success.
Mm.
Pero it turns out na siya pa yung gagawa ng ikakasama ng loob mo,
Mhm.
ng na mararamdaman mo. Kasi syempre, aminin natin, sobrang painful kapag binetray tayo ng tao.
Mhm. 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 Wait, are you
Yun na
still
yung
classmates now?
mga,
Are you sorry, classmates today? Are you still office
yeah,
mates now?
um, sa agency, hindi na.
Mhm. Okay.
Pero before, oo.
Oo nga naman, syempre before yun eh. But, so, ngayon, hindi na kayo office mates ngayon. I mean, you're no longer
Yes.
working together basically. Hindi na kayo friends. Hindi na kayo office mates.
Pero nagkikita kami sa school.
Okay. Ay, ba't may pa-school
Working
pang nalalaman pag ano, may mga events or whatever?
alma mater.
Okay, pak. Okay, sige. Okay, gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. So, okay, I'm glad kasi wala akong advice dito eh. Kasi pagod na ako sa ganitong klase drama. So, this isn't really advice. This is more of a rant nga lang. And you're sharing. You're sharing what happened. Tama ba?
Yes
Oh,
po.
kasi wala na eh. The problem is over. You're no longer talking to each other. You don't have to work together. There's peace in the realm. So, tama, di ba? Rant lang to.
Yes po.
Okay, sige. Are you done with your kwento? Talagang natanong mo na. Yes? Hello?
Yes po.
Okay, okay. Natuwa ako sa sinabi mo yung about, 'di ba, tama naman talaga yung pagkaibigan mo at success mo, dapat maging masaya sila if they're true friends. Pero ako talaga, I do believe, as human beings, sometimes it is so difficult for us to be happy for the success of other people. Yung mga, so happy! Congrats! Hey! Proud of you! Pero deep down, yung, ba't siya? Ba't hindi ako? Grabe, deserve mo talaga. Hindi mo deserve eh. May ganun talaga. No matter how, and it's something that we have to work on. It's a problem within us that we have to work on. We want to be happy for someone because congrats to them, they are our friend. Pero hindi natin mapigilang mainggit eh. Hindi natin mapigilang mainis rin na parang, ba't siya? Mas matagal pa ako dito. Ba't siya ang na-promote? Ba't siya binigyan ng project? Ba't siya ang may ganito, ganyan-ganyan? 'Di ba? But I mean, I'm not justifying what they're doing, what they did rather. I'm not justifying that. It's just that I get that part. I get that part na nakakainis rin eh. Pero you still should not be putting other people down. So, syempre hindi mo sabihin pangalan ng friend mo, 'di ba, ng office mate mo dati, 'di ba? Let's just call them Rowena. Ito na talaga. Let's call them Rowena. Okay, so for the Rowenas out there, yung you don't have to pull people down in order for you to go up eh. And if you do have to pull people down, that's just because you are beneath them. If you have to make this effort to bring other people to your level, again, that's because you are beneath them. So just something for you to think about. If you are similar to people like the person that Barbie is talking about, and again, let's call them Rowena for lack of better name. Next time nga may name generator tayo dito just for the heck of it. But anyway, ayun. Pero kamusta ka na ngayon, Barbie? Like, yun nga, okay na kayo ng teammates mo? Okay na kayo ng isang friend mo? Barbie?
Hello?
Yes.
Nagkikita kami sa mga same event,
Oo.
pero hindi na kami nag-uusap.
Paano nangyari yun? Paano pala nangyari na hindi na kayo nagkakaroon ng interaction? Like, was there a complaint or nagkaroon lang talaga ng opportunity na ma-assign kayo sa iba't ibang, scenarios?
Hindi, sinadya ko po talaga na iwasan
Oh,
siya.
that's good. That's good.
Nalaman ko, parang bakit ba ako makikipag-usap towards ko kung
Oo.
ganun yung
Tama, tama.
Right?
Tama yung ginawa mo. Sorry, excuse me, I just burped. Baboy. Anyway, we had a caller last time na sabi niya nga na hindi niya alam paano niya iwasan yung friend niya, office mate niya, na toxic rin nga talaga, pero kasi nga kaibigan daw, nahihirapan siya. So, tama yung ginagawa mo. That's exactly what I told our previous caller, na sabi ko, you have to make that effort to avoid the person na if they keep if they keep coming back to you, if they keep saying stuff like, tara labas tayo, whatever, yung ikaw na mismo dapat nag-avoid. So, I'm glad that you were able to do that. I'm glad you were able to have enough strength to be the one to pull away from the toxicity. Diba? Strong ka pala eh. Good job. Good job, Barbie.
Thank you po, DJ.
Ikaw, if you had a message for Rowena today, what would that be?
I think, kung nasan ka man, charot.
Diyan ka lang? Kung saan ka man ngayon, Rowena, diyan ka lang ha? Huwag ka na lumapit dito.
Dapat, we need to have a support din sa ibang achievements sa ibang tao. Like, kasi naniniwala ako sa kapag season mo. So, kung if ever man na ganyan ka, negative ka, always, parang ipagdadamot sa'yo kung ano yung para sa'yo. Kasi, napaka-negative mong tao, pati yung buhay ng iba, pinapakalaman mo.
Pakak. I thank you. Galing naman. Palakpakan po tayo para kay Barbie. Good job, good job, good job. Thank you again, Barbie, for calling. I hope that, you were able to feel better now that you shared your kwento. Kahit alam ko naman, I'm sure kwento mo rin sa ibang tao yan. But still, thank you for sharing it with us. Because of you, maisa kaming episode sa NSFW. Yay! Thanks, Barbie!
Thank you po.
Thanks, bye! Ingat!
Bye.
Okay, there we go. That was Barbie with her kwento about Rowena. Sorry to all the Rowenas out there. I just gave a name. But anyway, I really want to go back to the whole success of others thing. Kasi nga, you want to be happy for them. You are. You can be. You can be truly happy for them. But you also can't help but feel the inggit. You can't help but also wish, kailan na yung mangyayari sa akin? Kailan ako magiging successful as them, as Barbie? Parang ganun, di ba? I get that, but again, it does not give you an excuse to put them down, to talk about them, to gossip about them, to make them feel bida-bida. And also, not all bida-bidas are a bad thing eh. Not all the time na bida-bida, it's negative na to the company or whatever. Baka naman negative for you lang kasi inggit ka nga, di ba? And again, pag inggit, I did the pikit thing. Sorry. Podcast pala to. Sorry. I need to make words. I need to make sounds. So yun. Pag-inggit, pikit, di ba? But anyway, to all the Rowenas, time for you to grow up. Grow up and be better. And focus on your achievements, your goals, and your flaws before focusing on others. Hindi ka perfect. Okay? Thanks, bye. And that is it for today's episode of NSFW. We will catch you on the next one. And as always, if you also have your own kwento about anybody in the office, here, from the boss to the security guard to anywhere in between, the parking attendant, let us know by dropping a message on our Facebook page. That's Easy Rock Manila. And hopefully we can schedule a call for you to join my next podcast. Once again, my name is Shai, and I will check in on you guys again later. Love you. Bye. Easy Rock. Di ko nagawa kanina. Hey, thanks for watching.
For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.